Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another stair build. Okay, we have done a little bit more since last time. We've completed the stairs all the way up the top. I've got a little bit more to do by tying the stairs off to the top of the rafter, and also to remove a little bit more of the headroom out. Now if you'd like to see how I got to this stage and what I've done so far, be sure to check out my previous video, how to build stairs for beginners, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss another episode. Now I need to start removing out the stuff that was been up here since 60 years. It's all old shelving and it's all this stuff here. It's got to go, just so we can bring it back to bare bones. So if you like what you see so far, stick around and let's get into the build. Alright, so I have finished the top of the stairs. I do need to put one more support underneath the top tread to tie it off to the rafter, but as you can see I've finished all these treads and I have removed a little bit more of the floor. Still got more to take out, probably about another meter 1500, 1.5 meters, but so far that's enough just to sort of be able to walk up here without hitting your head every single time. Now I need to start pulling everything out. So a lot of this stuff was here when I bought the house, so all that needs to go. We've got the old, I'm pretty sure it used to be for a hot water tank, so that used to sit up here. And then I need to start removing the old stairs and removing all of this. So that'll be it. I'm going to start getting to that and start tearing that out, and then we can start looking into figuring out how I want to design this and go from there. Okay, so next I'm going to chop out the rest of this floor here for the headroom. So I'll mark that out from underneath, work out exactly how far it goes off my plans from the top tread and the opening it needs to be. So I have 2100 from one of my steps to the corner of the headroom, and let's chop that out. So I'll do that now. Okay, so first things first, I need to bring this line through, which is these stairs, and I need to bring this out to my measurement from the top landing. So I'm going to measure this first, and then I'm going to square this across. I'm probably going to have to add an extra beam across here to carry this rafter, because these are two load bearing walls here and I need to hold this one up. all the rest will be sitting on these two external load bearing ones just here. So let's mark this first part out. We'll get the measurement off the top and we'll start marking it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is to double check. I'm going to run a laser along just the front of this tread here, and I'm going to shoot that up onto the ceiling just to make sure that my cutout is going to be square to this tread. Plus I have measured off the top one, but I just want to double check and make sure we're square along this so everything lines up. Look at that, one piece. There we have it. We have an opening. So I've got this beam that came out. I'll probably throw that back in there. Otherwise I do have some other beams that I can fit for here. So now we can walk down without hitting our head. And there we have it. We have a pretty big cutout. I mean, it looks a lot bigger up top here because of the flooring not being surrounded by it up here, but so much nicer. Lets a lot of light downstairs now, which is really good. So now I'll just show you down the bottom. Alright, and this is it from down bottom. So what a massive skylight that has just done so much for this living room here. It just lets so much light in, and that window is actually going to get changed out to a bigger one. So you can't have enough natural light, so very happy with how that's just turned out. Still got to finish obviously the surrounds to capture all these ends just to tie into the floor, but I think that'll probably do for now for this video, so we'll see you on the next one.